Ubah proses di Saukme MLA Kabolai constituency, Kumu Kongsan Hakasi Sajan, kataga Arpunyo Tadik Unai Wing Arja Arpui, Ula play umat sa Jingkamau Jagamada Theresa Hamaulai Moro, Kadbau Padar Teles Forest Nonglang, Parish Priest ke Saint Dominic Savio, Parish Maulai, Kumu Kongsan Bendrab, Ula Kerku Yo New Mod. Kini ke jing play umat ke long Shibenta jong ke jing rakhe ke jing dap Sanpo Snem juga Catholic Managing Committee Maulai Moro. Hakani ke silai don lang uba Stylen Dakar President ke CMC Mauro rang ba shnong uba Peter Lamare ba Marbo Dakar ki Padar ki Sistar bar kiwe Ukongsan bendra bar kiwe kila thangru yu mombati kum gadak ke jing play ke jing rakhe dap Sanpo Snem bar ke jing play umat ke Mother Teresa. Haba Ajikran hak jelang bala pulong hapalau ha Salvatorian Society kabare ke jaka pule ki Padar hamauro uba piti saw kami ula penpau banadu bula jawab kumu MLA ula perkhat ke ei ka bon le ban sa kan mau barlawan hak jingmut jong u bo de ban ai kerteng ke surok maulai mauro hadu umranja daga Mother Teresa Road
aus nema ja khatra hadi mara job yang kumu MLA jong mulai constituency ala perkhat ke ei ka benta kumu priu barit Ubalaye nakabenta kabriyo kabakraw. In the year 2018, when I was elected again as an MLA of Molai constituency, I thought, what is the best I can do for to remember the Saint Mother Teresa Road? It only came in my mind at the time that I should do something for the Saint Mother Teresa Road, so that the future generation, even the present, that you will remember her for the contribution all the did for the nation and for our country, even for our state. That's why in year 2018, I write one letter to Honorable Chief Minister. I met with him and request him that if possible, kindly rename the road from Maulai Moro to that Umranja bridge that we have in the name of Mother Teresa. It takes some time. Before I doing that, I have also to meet with the late Bishop Dominic Jala. I took a permission from him one day when I meeting with the Bishop late Dominic Jala when we have the procession there at Mauyong. I met him. I told him what is possible because I have intention of renaming the road from Maulai Moro in the name of Mother Teresa. I remember the time that Bishop, he told me that you can go ahead without any problem or hesitant from his side. That's why I go ahead with his blessing. But we are very fortunate that the year 2019, like the previous speaker said, that the government have notified the road from Maulai Moro to Umrja Mukhar in the name of Saint Mother Teresa.
Yaga CMC Maulai Mauro ala seng house nem shaja khandai spa nyopuei badminta kaladap san house nem pura ongo ba Stylen Dakar haba ajing kran hakane kasngi kane ke jura khe kalong ke jing sedang bad kan yai peteng hakisi ki banwan ka CMC Mauro kala ai khuble u MLA hakbai dei bakani ke jing sa nam jong u yak Mother Teresa.